Hello everybody and welcome to Tech in 5 Minutes. Today we are talking about the product management process. Watch this video till the end to get the list of tools we use at Jelvix for product management. On our channel, we share thoughts on recent developments in the tech industry. Subscribe not to miss new videos. Let's start. Product management deals with product planning, forecasting its development, and extensive marketing research to lead the product to success. The main objectives of product management include creating benefits for everyone, as the product needs to satisfy customer needs and at the same time bring profits to the company. The next objectives are creating new products with return on innovation investment and making a competitive analysis. You might be wondering, who is responsible for meeting these objectives? The three main players of the product management team are product managers, project managers, and product marketing managers. However, some organizations will require additional members such as a business analyst, user experience specialist, an engineering team, a solution architect, and stakeholders. To know more about the difference between product and project manager, read the article we have prepared. The link is in the description. The whole process of product management can be broken into 4 main stages. Keep watching to know more about them. The first stage is a conceptual phase. Here, our goal is to form a clear vision of the product. At this stage, we generate and evaluate ideas. The next step is to answer questions such as, what is the user persona for the product? What are the pain points that the product will solve? How do you measure the success of the product? Jeffrey Moore, in his book, Crossing the Chasm, came up with a template that would be useful to today's product managers when envisioning their product vision. Can you recommend any other books for product managers? Share them in the comments section. The second stage is strategy development. Here we understand the market needs, establish business goals, and come up with key features of the product. Strategy development begins with market research, which can be either conducted by a company, referred to as primary research, or taken from an external source, also known as secondary research. The third stage is execution and testing. The team either builds a new concept or adds features to an existing product. This phase includes product development, testing, and the application of feedback. The fourth phase is marketing and sales. And at this stage, the product marketer plays a key role in developing an effective launch and marketing plan. For more information, watch our video on creating a product marketing plan. Before we end this video, we'd like to share the best tools we use at Jelvix. If you're a product manager, you'll need user tracking and analysis tools such as Amplitude, road mapping tools such as Product Plan, customer survey tools such as SurveyMonkey, recording apps for customer interviews such as Zoom, industry analysis accounts such as Gartner, team messaging tools such as Slack, presentation software such as Keynote, project management tools such as Trello, session replay and heat map tools such as Hotjar, and idea capture and collaboration tools such as Evernote. Do you already use some of the tools mentioned? Share them in the comments section. This video was prepared by the Jelvix team. Jelvix helps top brands worldwide to innovate and accelerate digital transformation. We provide world-class enterprise software engineering, design, and technology consulting services. Find our contact details in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. We share our own experience on this channel, so make sure to subscribe not to miss a single video. And don't forget to press the bell button. Bye for now.